In this video, I will show you how to add blog posts to page in WordPress. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress. Head over into the Pages tab. So click on Pages at the left side of your screen. And then under this, go ahead and click on this Add New button at the top left of your screen. And then after that, you can go ahead and name that specific page. So in here, go ahead and add a title and add blocks to this blog. And then after that, click on this publish button at the top right of your screen. So this will allow you to publish this blog post on your website. So after that, go ahead and head back to your WordPress homepage. And then from there, go ahead and proceed on setting this blog page into homepage or post page of your WordPress website. So you need to head back and then make sure that you have saved the changes before you head back. So head over into the settings section, and then in here, go ahead and head over into the reading tab. And then under this, make sure to set the homepage displays to a static page, so you can go ahead and select the pages that you want to use for your homepage and your post page. And that is how you can basically add blog posts to page in WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.